Style points.
Doing these kind of decisions. Let's see. Or one of these fighters decides that this fight doesn't go the distance and leaves it out of the judge's hands. Let's see. Oh. Actually. There was a lot. See?
Oi. On point, on point.
They had like quite a bit of animosity between them. Good right hand landed for Mangesh throws that body kicks. He has a great switch kick to the body. Jitesh shaking it off. Gets back to
Taking
the
the
center.
switch lead kick.
Oh, good leg kick.
Nice calf kick.
Both of them landed at the same time. Saw that coming, yeah.
I think Jitesh is showing a better mixed bag of skills in the fight so far. Mangesh has his moments at certain points, but then
Let's see what Mangesh does with this position, because
he builds up again.
some damage has to come from this, otherwise like there was no point for this position. Oh, good shot to the side of the head.
Now,
Yeah, another shot lands, but using that whizzer, he was able to get back up. Oh, right hand right on top of the whizzer. Man, Jitesh is so sneaky.
Jitesh has good cage control now.
Oh,
He's throwing that hammer fist like a cross.
almost like Geji.
He threw that in the first round as well.
Yeah. Oh, good hook on the
good
empty
lead
lands.
hook.
Jitesh
Jitesh with
to
the
be-
cleaner
yeah,
shots
yeah.
all through.
Just misses with that head kick.
Cannot be too cavalier with
Yeah,
it. He
Mangesh
needs to
tried to
get his
return the
defense
favour.
on point. Mangesh is as game as they come.
But Jitesh was able to defend it, so. Oh, good jab down the middle. Oh, nice 1-2 lands for Mangesh. Gets out of range.
I think Mangesh should do this more. See, like
Yeah.
when he's utilizing his range, Jitesh is just missing.
Just landed another good body shot also.
Should not be in a hurry to land. Just keep scoring,
Oh.
scoring.
Just as you were talking, he gets pressed up against the fence. Jitesh had his hands locked, yeah. He was quick to lock his hands and get his opponent down.
I think Jitesh is showing more of a elevated
MMA,
game.
Yeah, MMA sort of aspect where he's improved from his
He's
last
just
fight.
flowing from his striking to
Yeah.
his grappling, which is much better than Mangesh right now.
10 seconds left in the round.
Even when Mangesh is on top, he's not able to score a lot.
He
That
was
is-
able to put damage out. Oh, good right hand. Combos against the fence. That was right on the break. So it's game.
Building up once he gets taken down. So I don't think so. He's busy defending the takedown. He's rather busy just scrambling out of those takedowns,
And avoiding that damage.
which also causes a lot of stress to your opponent's cardio, right?
Oh, tried to go for his own sweep.
Good scoring knee to the body.
Oh, outside
And-
trip works for Jitesh. They're in the wizard situation. Last time we saw Jitesh get the better of this position. Let's see who does it this time.
See, he got his underhook heavy now and his head right on the chest. He's controlling him better right now. I mean, the urge to grab the cage is always there for a fighter, right? Oh, damn. Is he going for a ninja choke?
Looks quite tight.
I think
That he's not responding. Jitesh is not responding the way you would want him to, but
yeah.
he just did.
Yeah,
Oh,
damn.
I guess you have to be a fighter to understand that kind of composure, right? Shots to the face. Jitesh,
I think Jitesh is gonna give Mangesh his first L.
sinks in that choke. He has only one hook from where I can see.
What a fight!
What a
fight!
What a fight! Oh, right hand
Boys
lands.
are good.
Oh, defended though, but a good switch kick by Jitesh.
Jitesh lands that lead switch kick, then he immediately changes his stance.
And throws a kick to the foot.
Oh. No, stepping back and switching is always better to escape from cover. Good shot by Jitesh.
Incoming slam.
Oh, that's some style points right there, baby.
That slam woke up the crowd. I didn't even know. You can hear it if you're watching this live.
Everyone is awake right now. That was some slick shit.
Really. Mangesh looks like he's out here to, like he's trying to get out this position, but he looks a little concerned himself. I just saw that glimpse of him. But beautiful bridge.
Oh, good reversal. Now we have to see what Mangesh does from this position.
To
He needs to
actually
start
get the points.
scoring, yeah. I feel like he's behind on the scorecards. He needs to start scoring. He needs to do something significant to take this round away.
Because Jitesh is actually very sneaky in these positions. You're right. He is just not allowing him to land those shots.
Exactly. So although he might be able to take him down, there's not much damage. So shots like these are needed from Mangesh.
Exactly. And many of them.
For the blue corner, Jitesh